Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're starting the grammar pass. Sign in and pick the English variant you need, then open Quillbot's Grammar Checker. Paste or upload the text immediately. Don't waste time on formatting yet. Once done, choose a checking level, basic for quick fixes or advanced for deeper edits, and toggle extras like punctuation normalization. Make sure you set the target audience or formality so corrections match intent. This gets you from 0 to ready in seconds and primes the tool to suggest relevant changes. Now you'll process suggestions efficiently. Scan the grouped corrections for grammar, punctuation, and clarity, and open explanations to understand why an edit is recommended. You can accept single suggestions or apply an entire cluster when consistent. If something feels wrong, hit undo and revisit the sentence manually. Once you accept key changes, adjust the tone slider and rerun the check to ensure consistency across the document. This iterative approach prevents overcorrection and preserves your original voice. Finish by exporting your polished text. Copy to clipboard, download, or send to your preferred app. You should proofread once more to confirm meaning, check citations, and restore any formatting lost during paste. If Quillbot misses fixes or shows errors, first clear your browser cache and retry, then re-upload the text. If problems persist, rephrase the problematic sentence and rerun the check. Sometimes restructuring prompts better suggestions. This final loop ensures a clean, reliable result and gives a quick troubleshooting path.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.